One thing you know, from December start.
Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's your girl Alicia. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's episode of Vlogmas, I am going to my work Christmas dinner party. I'm still technically at work. Yeah, I'm still technically at work, but I'm not yet. Well, I am currently still getting paid, coming to clock out yet. This is my little OOTN outfit of the night. Some simple black high-waisted tights, one little tube top something thing, one little black leather pleather blazer. I got my little watch from Ardennes, my little leopard cheetah thing watch, and yeah. Oh, and then my shoes are just these little cute tan wedges. Little go to come and can walk anywhere in a them. Using me. Thanks, sister. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on our way to the Christmas party. Tim Tom's driving, so turn up. Say hi. Hey, you guys say hi. We're Christmas party. That's Bully. That's Irvish. And you guys know Tim Tom. And I'm here.
Follow my snap, bro.
No, I'm not promoting you.
Follow my snap. My followers already, you know. Follow all my snaps.
What's the snap? Shout it out. They can't even hear you. Oh. Wait.
Tom Tim Tom.
Wait, hold on. Let me take off. Tom Tim Tongue. Christmas work party dinner. I'm super excited. I already know what I want and stuff. You know, I walked with my sticky note because I know what I want. You know, I don't waste time when people are buying food for you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying. Oh, shit. Yes, first drink of the night. What is this called again? Something passion fruit limeade or something like that. Y'all want some of my passion fruits? Yes.
No flashes, yo.
Alright, so appetizers. Yes, this is what I ordered. This is what he ordered. Wait, where's your order? What did you order again? Wow, go Irvin. Channel, so
Zoe?
yes,
Are we going live on YouTube?
yes you are.
All right.
Hi.
I'm going to be on
You'll be on YouTube. Is it too bright for you? Yep. Since he wants to put me on live, yeah, I'll put you guys on YouTube. Ooh, thank you. My second drink has arrived. I'm so excited. Come on, Irvish, cheers. Woo! Where's your drink, Tim Tom? He's so annoying. Ooh, it's heat. He's like, well, all these cameras in my face. All up in my face. That looks so good though. Like that mozzarella cheese, like that looks so good. Wow.
What do you got? Potatoes?
Ooh. And then the pizza's still going on over there. Is the pizza still good? Oh yeah.
Yes, it's very good.
Very. Ooh, I love your English. It's so proper. I love it. Keep him in school. Do you understand? Keep him in school. Ooh. Ooh, Tim Tongue. Yes. Look at that wine, that Cabernet sauce. Yes. Look at the chives and the what? You got what? Look at your eyes. Lord, I'm full already and I haven't even eaten it.
Yes, I would full. I'll go for
Oh my God, what was I thinking? You guys, I ordered my food and I didn't eat it. I'm too full, like I can't. So I'm just drinking my life away now. But the Christmas party's, it's lit. It's lit, fam. It's lit. Ooh. It's lit, fam. It's lit. Can you see it in my face? It's lit. Yeah. I'm so tired. And we have work tomorrow. We have work tomorrow and I have not made it home yet to do anything that I need to do in my house. So yeah. Tom had a raw steak. Irvish had the Cajun chicken. And Willie had a bone salmon. Salmon with bone in it. I told him it's salmon and he said it's salmon. So his salmon came with a bone in it. So I told him you ordered salmon, not salmon. Of course it's gonna be bones, you know? It's fish. Salmon. Guys, I don't know what the rest of the night entails. But Tom said he'll drop me off right at my door.
Subscribe to Tom Tim Tom. Tom Tim
What
Tom. You know, I need millions of subscribers right now.
I hope they can't see you.
Yo, that hurts my eyes so bad. Can you at least turn that off? All the girls subscribe to my YouTube channel. No boys. Rude boys, get out of here. What are rude boys? No rude boys.
Bati.
No Bati man. No Bati man.
No Batman. Ladies, he's really looking for someone. I'm tired of him telling me this all the time, either on Snapchat or following me, or on the vlog. Like, he needs a woman. We're here at dinner, and every waitress he wants. Hell, somebody just like him. Be his girlfriend, please. Somebody, anybody.
Just 4 days, man.
No, just take him off the market. Like, give him something to do. All he does is go out and eat. And if you like that, holler at him. He'll take you out to eat. He's not stingy at all. He's really nice. I got it on the vlog. I got it on the vlog feed. He's watching her ass. I got it on the vlog feed. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
Why would I do such a thing? Why would you accuse me of such a thing?
Of what?
Looking.
You're human. Don't people look at other people's bums? I watch people's bums all the time. Guys, say hello to Marilyn Monroe. Dun 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 dun. Yes. Ooh, gingerbread cake. Look at Irvish's face. This guy does not want dessert. He wants pizza. So cute. That's the lady boss. That's the male boss. And those are the rest of my coworkers. That's Jimmy. That's Eddie. I can't.
Oh, wait for Edward.
You're not putting this on live.
Am I posting
Okay, ready?
You're live.
Hey.
How long?
Yeah, how long?
That was like almost a second.
Yo, that's sour, yo. I like that. That was really good. That was the best drink I had all night.
How long did you time it?
You guys all suck. You guys all suck.
Anybody time this? You got over 4 viewers, so come on.
Whoa! Okay, who's next? Who's next?
5 viewers.
Let's keep the momentum going. Let's go. Let's go. Hi, viewers. Hi. Welcome to the Wireless Christmas Party 2016. Happy holidays. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Rosh Hashanah. Merry Christmas. Happy Diwali. They're wilder, actually. They're the wilder bunch. Oh shit. Hi guys. Sorry for neglecting you. Bye.
Got this body like a real rude, but as long as you would dig it, love the sun, and the sun. Hey, sexy areas, yo. And I did the last video. How could I tell her no? Her measurements was 36, 25, 34. I like the way you brush your hair. If you wanna go with the good range over all wood. Do me like you should, fuck me good, suck me good. So if shorty wanna knock in this, and if shorty wanna pop in this, and if shorty wanna pop in this, shorty wanna see the ice and the ice the wrist. City talk, Nelly listen, Nelly talk, city listen when I talk. Slide bitches when I walk, pay attention, see the ice on the wrist. Come on, boo. You guys, I have work in the morning. How lame is this?
Guys, so I'm home. I'm tired. So you know, tomorrow. Oh my god, this is the first time I vlogged in a really long time. You see, I'm gonna stop. Me can't stop. But yeah, this is the first time I haven't vlogged. I haven't vlogged in a really long time. I think the last time I put up like a vlogmas was either Friday or Saturday. I've just been really busy trying to get everything in order for Friday, and yeah, you know, with work and stuff I'm really limited, and with all these snowstorms and stuff it's made me really limited, so I'm nervous, but overall I think I'm pretty much good and whatever. So yeah, Christmas party was lit. I had so much fun with all my coworkers, and yeah, so I ain't got not much to say. I'm tired and I have work in the morning, so I'm gonna turn down and call it a night, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye.
Give me girl, I'm me rumming on me hand, every day is Christmas.